Well, not going to be a crazy update. We're just doing some wiring and brakes, but yeah. Pretty much get there and then we'll ship her out the door for now till we get some more parts. So all my wiring harness came in. So doesn't look like too bad of a kit, although it is some offshore one, I'm sure. Seeing how it comes with no instructions. But it's all wired, so like labeled, sorry. Every cable, every foot or whatever, so I don't know, should be pretty easy to figure out. We'll split this out into like the dash bits and the front of the truck and the motor, and I don't know, split it up so it makes sense. Put it in its zones. So anyways, I'm gonna get at her. So it looked like a mess, but this is actually pretty organized now. This will be like my headlight wiring with the horn. This is taillight, fuel gauge, all that jazz. This is the engine component, so this will be my main power wire, alternator, oil sender, all that stuff. This goes to my brake switch. This one goes to my headlight switch. This one is just all accessories, radio, you know, all that stuff. What was this one? This is my dash. So this would be like your tack, your, I don't know, oil pressure, signals. This stuff here is for your key. This jazz here is for your dimmer switch. And this stuff here, this is for your blinkers and horn, all that jazz. And the relay, that's just for, this is your flashers. I don't know why they always make these so long. Doesn't make sense. And then this one is for like an electric fan or electric fuel pump, but that's all controlled by the computer, so those are not used. Or sorry, one is electric fan, the other one is horn relay. So yeah, so that's pretty much how I stack that out. So I don't know, wiring sucks, but it's not that bad. You just take your time, split it out, makes it a lot easier. At least now I can, when I put the horn, like the fuse box in the truck, I can just scab wherever things got to go and poke them into certain areas and try to tidy it up that way. So yeah, that's wiring. Now I just got to throw it in the truck. You were wondering what was hanging up there I was cutting? It's actually hockey tape. Works good for putting on the, instead of doing like a whack of zip ties, I always just put a little bit of hockey tape. I think it lasts longer than electrical tape, or at least it's nicer to look at, I guess. I don't know. So the plan is to run all the brake lines. So I got to redo the fronts. I have a rear one running up, so I just got to make a small extension to get up to the master cylinder there and redo the front. So I'm gonna get right on that. I know you guys seen me do this a million times, but man, I love this thing. 1/4" line. Straighten this out a little bit. Snug it up. In. Tighten that baby up. Center for 1/4. Man, who doesn't like doing brakes when it's that nice? Perfect. And I didn't forget my fitting. So, got one of these just to finish up the brake lines. I just got to tee into the block here, into the bottom, and then run my last line up here for the front brakes. So we'll get that in and then scab that wiring in there somehow. Well, not somehow, but actually plumb it through. And so I have my wires pulled through. They're not very grouped. This is just my engine, the coolant temp, oil pressure. This will be battery, the horn. This is my ignition and my start, so that'll go over here. This is all the headlight and the blinker stuff in the front. And I have the taillights and jazz out the back. And it's still a disaster inside the cab. I still haven't figured out where I'm putting that. Well, I know where I'm putting it, but I have to mount it and shuffle it around. Just up high behind the dash. So, yeah. I'm gonna organize all that up, and then I'm gonna have to pull the light switch out because it's junk. And I have to change the key because we don't have the key for that one. So, yeah. I think I got some stuff around here. Gotta go look. Might have to pick some up yet. So, hit up the old Princess Auto. We got us a horn button. We got us an ignition. Clean tire. Got ourselves a headlight switch. We got our fuse box mounted. I don't know if you can see in there. Give you my light. So fuse box is mounted. I'm just running all the wires right now to where they are supposed to go. Like all this stuff here is just anything gauge related, so that'll be there. This is for the courtesy light. Headlight switch, the brake switch. Oh, I gotta get one yet. A dimmer switch and the ignition. So I gotta put the key in. This thing was rusted solid, so I gotta pull it out. And yeah. It's not really much to show. Wiring kind of sucks, but we're getting close. Well, the fire on the key anyways. I'm not wiring it headlight to taillight, but I am running all the wires out for the guy. So he'll have a bundle up here, which will be his lights, headlights and his signals, all that jazz. And then I'll wire the motor, less the gauges, because I don't know what he's gonna run for gauges. But it will turn key start, drive in and out. That is the plan. Okay, wiring sort of cleaned up. Still working on this. I just don't want to cut myself on ties, so I'll snip those after. Like I say, temp, water, tack. Haven't done that yet. Electric fan. Check the wiring. The headlights work. This blinker box is junk, so I'm gonna have to find another one. This thing don't work, so I'll have to rewire another one in there. At least she starts on a key now. Oh. And turns off on a key. And a horn. Cool. We are just about there. We got to, because now we lowered the back of the truck, I'm gonna have to arch the inside of the wheel tubs a bit. So just gonna have to slash out a bit up there. I'm thinking he's gonna want to go an offset wheel yet, so I'm just gonna do what he needs to move it around. I don't want to hack too much out and then he has to put an inner fender well in. But yeah, seeing how this is the fuel tank, I'm waiting. He's gonna get a fuel cell or something yet, so we'll be dumping something in the back of the truck there. But yeah, we're just about done. Just about. A few little bits. Still gotta fill it with some antifreeze. And then so we got things semi together. Still gotta get some coolant in the red. So should make that. Oh no, I just did that. Need to add that to the list. Along with the trans cooler. The brakes are bled. I might want to revisit that though, just one more time to go through it all. Still got to do the gas pedal, missing the cable, but yeah. Other than that, we're needing some parts. Still need the fuel tank and stuff. I'm just running it with the truck tank in the box like this for now, just to make it mobile. I'm thinking we're gonna go with a Mustang tank in the floor. That's kind of the plan. Still need exhaust, stuff like that, but I won't be doing that. This is I just notched the tubs there, just for some wheel clearance. I'm not gonna go crazy because you might go with an offset wheel yet. Yeah, I think that's it for now. I think that's all we're getting done. Till stuff comes in, I guess I'll drive her outside and on to the next one.